Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect WhatsApp or your WhatsApp account to your ManyChat account. Now, once you are here, you've logged into your account, you're going to be in your dashboard. You want to look towards your left-hand side, which is your main menu, and hover your mouse on settings, which is the last option. It's the gear or cogwheel icon, right? So clicking this will show you the settings page. And under channels, the good thing about this and connecting ManyChat to different social media sites is that you're immediately going to see it because it's going to show you the logos for each. So as you can see here, WhatsApp is number 3, right? Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp. So what you want to click on WhatsApp like this, and here you can just click WhatsApp, right? Reach a global audience on WhatsApp with broadcast automation and replies in inbox. So click connect, right? And as you can see here, you can only connect, or you can only use or connect WhatsApp and integrate it to your ManyChat if you are actually using a plan, right? A paid plan. So for free, you can't really do it, but it's very simple. Just make sure that you have your WhatsApp ready on your phone or your PC. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.